So it's a common thing when companies produce a revision models with a quite slight differences every year. EZVIZ is not an exclusion. Here we got an explicit representative of that fact. EZVIZ C3WN 2019 revision model of a 2018 is EZVIZ C3WN Guard. And we will reveal a box contents compared to the last year's model and also connect it and show you a video shot on this cam so you can estimate the quality. And before we begin, go to Pipl Systems website, order EZVIZ C3WN, specify your subscriber, and get your special offer right away. I'm Daniel, breaking in.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Inside of the box, we have a drill template, a quick start guide, and the exact C3WN camera. Let me get a waterproof kit, well, basically plastic wire holders to isolate the spots where a virus compound from a water and dust in accordance with the IP66 protection rate. And here gotta be some, here's some screws, and this cardboard brick contains a 12 volts power brick. So the first thing you can notice about the camera, it has two antennas for Wi-Fi signal transmission. EZVIZ declares it is designed this way to enlarge the Wi-Fi signal transmission area, and it makes quite a strong signal. So the cam is metal, and here we got a tail, with the communication with the power and the RG45 LEA cable ports for the fans of wired connection, though the cam supports Wi-Fi. On the downside, you'll find a reset button, and the micro SD input is located behind this nailed cover that you gotta unscrew to reveal an input. Well, that was made to add an extra protection due to cam's outdoor status and the IP66 protection rate. EZVIZ finally decided to abandon the 720p version and thus behold 1080p Full HD only on 30 frames per second maximum. And here's also a video with shot on this cam to show you a quality. And I think this should have been done much earlier. And commonly we have main specifications on the box side. EZVIZ C3WN offers night vision up to 100 feet or 30 meters that makes this cam to stand out, though this is quite an average number, but I guess it's permissible for a consumer segment. Not that bad as it could have been. And it also contains a microphone inside, able to record audio as far as 60 feet or 5 meters away from the cam. But we don't have a two-way audio here, as the cam has no speaker. What else makes this one stand out is the IP dust-proof and waterproof IP66 protection rate, and it means the dust tightness and a water resistance against powerful jets. But what I don't like is that the cam has no infrared sensor and the motion detection is happening on a software level only. The supported micro SD capacity that goes in here is up to 256 gigabytes, which is good, because this lets ask you to pay a cloud subscription fee, and that's nice. Now the connection part, and thus we need to connect this to this 12 volts power supply brick to this tail input. And so EZVIZ camera connection activation is no different from any other EZVIZ camera. First of all, get the free EZVIZ app from App Store or Google Play, install and sign up, create user account and other stuff. Then you gotta take this power brick that comes within a box, connect it to this 20 volts input, and input it into the socket. Then you gotta wait until the camera flashes this LED indicator with blue, and you're ready to start your camera. So let's go to the EZVIZ app and press the Add Device button. Here on the side, we got a QR code that we scan. So I found the camera, pressing the Add button, and should be good, I think. Hey, see, that's my camera guy. Hey Valek, how you doing? He's always doing fine actually, though he's playing games while I'm recording here. Anyways, it's about a camera now. So here's the main screen, and let's switch to the Ultra HD. So this is the pause play button, this is speaker button. Oh, hey! yeah, the microphone that's located inside of the camera. This is the multiple channels. Here you can switch the quality. Here's the full screen mode. And here we can take a snapshot, and here we can make a recording that will be saved into your phone's internal memory if you don't have a microSD installed in here. Or of course you can install the microSD, you can get an EZVIZ network recorder or the base station tied up, and everything will be recorded in there, or maybe even, I don't know, Hikvisions, something Hikvisions. Yeah, or well, yeah, pay the monthly subscription fee for the cloud storage. But anyways, this is how easy it is with the EZVIZ. Now, let's get to the conclusion. The same it was with the EZVIZ C3WN and EZ360. They are identical. Despite a few extremely minor and hard to notice distinctions, this is the same EZVIZ C3W 2018. So it is definitely not worth updating if you have one, but if you're just going to pick the newest one due to manufacturer support and new parts used in the assembly. Though we got both of them available on the Pipl System Store website, link is in the description, and you gotta know that special offers are applied to the ones who specify that they are subscribed. Thank you for watching. Your protection and your knowing of your surroundings are main goals in the Pipl Systems.